Continue on Auto Route 73 Sud for 4 kilometers.
Hi, good morning. So we just checked out at the Marriott Hotel in Quebec City and now heading back to Montreal. And we'll be staying at the Ritz Carlton Montreal for a night before we head back to Toronto. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So after Montreal, we went to Quebec City and then we returned to Montreal for a night before we head back to Toronto tomorrow. So we decided to stay in a different area and also to experience the Ritz Carlton Montreal for tonight. Because it's the Labor Day long weekend, the room rate is quite expensive. It's over $1,000 Canadian dollar. And we booked a deluxe room and they upgrade us to a signature room. So I'm going to give you a quick room tour. Okay, so right on my right is a huge closet. So good numbers of hangers, additional duvet and covers, good enough for 2 pieces of luggage, iron and iron board, luggage rack, etc. Okay, also with the umbrella. So this is the closet area. And then over here is the television, as well as some magazines, a nice handwritten note, and some goodies for us. Thank you. And then the water, the special water for sustainability, as well as the Nespresso coffee machine, and they use the regular capsule, and then with some tea as well, and then also with a kettle. Okay, but one thing that has surprised me is they do not have the wine glasses and they do not stock up the mini bar. So it's basically a fridge, a mini fridge. And then there is for the coffee or tea. But I'm quite surprised they do not even stock up for the mini bar. But anyway, so this is the decor with the headboard. Very, very thick mattress, as you can see. It's like double size mattress. And then the nice classy decor. And actually they do have the pillow menu. So can pick the pillow of our choice when they do the turn down service. And then all the gadgets to turn the light on and off with different level of brightness. Okay, and then on this side is a small silver living area to relax. And then on this side is the work desk area. So the work desk area has the work lamp, so it's bright enough. And they have good power plugs and USB, as well as the stationery set for business traveler. And they actually have a huge safe deposit box, good to put in a computer in there. So this area is very good for business traveler. Okay, moving right along is the signature bathroom. Really good size and bright with the bathtub. So you can see the hair dryer, the amenities, a very deep bathtub. Yeah, the towels got warm up, as well as the bathrobes and 2 pair of night slippers. So double sink here. And then with the rain shower. Shampoo and conditioner, shower gel. Okay, so basically that's the signature room at the Ritz Carlton in Montreal downtown. We didn't book the breakfast for tomorrow morning, but we have booked for a nice lunch at Maison Le Bleu because we went to Cafe Bleu in Four Seasons, Toronto, and for the Bleu restaurant here in Montreal is at the Ritz Carlton, so we have booked lunch here before we head back to Toronto tomorrow. So this is what we experienced for the signature room at the Ritz Carlton Montreal. We're on the 9th floor. The highest floor is 11th floor, but there is not much view from our room here. Okay, anyway, so follow us. We'll show you more for our lunch and our whole experience at the Ritz Carlton Montreal. Thank you for watching. Just follow us, continue to subscribe, comment, like, and share. And we'll continue with our stay experience at the Ritz Carlton Montreal.